Hey everybody, Lee Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. And this was a trade that I absolutely should have taken. You got to see this one. All right, everyone. So you understand if we don't take a trade, it's because it's too risky or it hasn't been performing well. There's a reason. We don't just randomly not take good events. So the FOMC minutes, it hasn't been performing well. We have a trap trade that I've been testing. A trap trade is a trade that we expect the market will go up and we will short the market, we'll sell it, or the market will go down and we'll buy it. Okay, so I'm trading the ES futures and we set up a trap trade. So if the market goes up, I'm selling it. The market goes down, I'm buying it. The news comes out, the market explodes in an instant. Watch this. It's unbelievable. It's the perfect, most incredible trap trade. Explodes to the downside, immediately reverses, shoots through the targets. The trade's over, approximately $1,000 in profit. It was an amazing setup. That was the trade I should have taken. Incredible. We never cry in a corner and say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't take the trade. We learned from it. Maybe next month, the FOMC minutes will be a trade that we take as a trap trade with the ES. You live, you learn, and you go on to fight another day. You're always looking for data to help you be profitable. Lee Goldstein here. The trade I should have taken, the FOMC minutes, and wow, it was a big winner. See you next time.